I get a lot of times people say, well, you know, I'm getting ready to hire an accountant, and, you know, what do? Do I just bring over my box of receipts and then you just put it all into the system? How many of you think the most efficient way to enter data into your accounting software or Excel is by going to the individual receipts and putting them into the system? No. It will hammer, nail, just think hammer, nail. QuickBooks is designed to be able to synchronize and sync with major, just about every major bank. And what it does is it actually gives you the ability to download the data right into the software with a click of a button. Well, right there, immediately, you're not going to get that with Excel. So when you synchronize it, it does take a little bit of setup and prep, which is pretty straightforward. We have webinars and things that explain how to do that. But once you do it, you literally click a button, log in, and it downloads all the transactions. Better than that, it matches to any transactions that you manually entered previously. So it doesn't duplicate the transactions. So what happens here is it gives you the ability to have information come in quickly. Now, let's just say you have a credit union or a bank that doesn't synchronize with QuickBooks. Well, am I going to go down to the receipt level? No. So one of the best practices is to maintain your transactions off of statements. Always use statements. Keep the receipts. You know what I do with my receipts? I do keep a file drawer. We have very little paper now. We're almost entirely paperless. But I keep my receipts because it's not worth the time to sit there and scan them. And I literally have those green hanging folders. I have one for each month, January through December. I literally take the receipt, put it in my wallet, come home, throw it in the month. I don't organize it. I don't think about it. It's in the month. That's it. That's all you do with your receipts. The transactions that get into your system are coming off of your statements, or they're being downloaded directly into your software. So you have it as a backup if you need it. And I do sometimes go back if I need to do a return or a refund or whatever. I'll go back. I just go into my QuickBooks. I find out what month the transaction occurred, and I go to that month and I dig through a tiny little stack of receipts. No big deal. Right? So making things simple. My accounting system has to be simple because I don't have time to sit down and futz with paper or accounting. I have a business to run, and you have real estate deals to do. So that's just one feature. It has so many other functionalities and features, but that's one of the most important ones.